There are the berries you can see from very near. As you can see, they are ready to eat. No wonder in ancient time, when people used to live in jungle and these deities used to go for many years of exile, they were not worried about food. So I guess these were the alternatives for food they were having. And as I earlier said also that jungle has its own law. It doesn't work with our management and law, and every season has something to offer. So if you go to jungle, look something like this, don't worry about it. Wild berries, they're very sweet in nature, what we call the natural sweet, neither too much sweet, neither too less, and they're very yummy to eat. If you're in jungle, look for something like this. If you're in jungle and you are feeling like hungry, that's the best thing you can have, and you can eat them. Too juicy. This is how they will look like. In your hand, they may look like that there is blood coming out, but that's not blood. That's the juice, real juice they have inside. Like juniper berries. They are not juniper berries, but yes.